So friends, we are going to talk about another potential airdrop, whose name is SOSOValue. It is a type of AI project, and you can find it on Twitter. Let's discuss it in complete detail. Keep watching the video till the end. First of all, let's talk about it. You will find its complete details on the CryptoRank website, showing that it has raised $19.15 million in funding, bringing its valuation to $200 million. Apart from this, if you check here, you will see all the investors under funds and backers. For example, SafePal has invested here, along with GSR Ventures, CoinSummer, One Piece Labs, and others. All of them have invested here, and the status of the airdrop is absolutely confirmed. The task here is social tasks. You have to complete these tasks to earn points. Complete details are also provided about how you can participate, but you don't need to go through them. I will explain everything to you in detail. First of all, you have to open the link that I will provide. After opening the website, the first thing you need to do is complete the sign-up process. Click on Sign Up, enter your email address, password, and confirm your password. Solve the CAPTCHA and click Next. A verification code will be sent to your email, which you need to enter here. Once you paste the code, it will be verified, and your account will be created successfully. You will see, "Welcome to SOSOValue. You have been invited by another SOSOValue receiver." Here we have received 10,000 XP. Click on Earn XP now. You can see that since we joined using someone's invite code, we have received around 100,000 points. If you come directly, you won't receive these points. Therefore, I will share my referral code with you. If you join using my link, you will receive these points. If you join directly, you won't get them. Once you've joined, all the tasks will appear in front of you. If they don't, you can see your points above. Click on this and you'll come to the page where you need to complete these tasks. Completing them is simple. These are social tasks. For example, there's a daily task. Click on Post and it will take you to a page. After arriving, you need to create a simple post. For instance, I wrote the title, "What is Crypto Airdrop?" Now you can watch daily news here. This way, you will earn points. Similarly, there are tasks like sharing posts, which will give you 4,000 points. All these tasks are social tasks, and not difficult. Now, in the starter pack section, the first thing you need to do is connect your Twitter account. There's also a mobile application which you can install to earn more points. The more tasks you complete, the more points you will earn. Your allocation will be based on the number of points you accumulate. The more points you have, the higher your allocation for the airdrop. As you can see, I have completed many tasks, and my points have reached 198,000. You need to complete your daily tasks regularly. For example, today's tasks are completed. Tomorrow, on day 2, new tasks will appear, and you need to complete them. After completing all tasks, go to the Profile option, click on Personal Center, and then Account Information. Here you will see the option for a wallet. Click on it to connect your MetaMask wallet. My wallet has been successfully connected. However, this website is a bit slow, so you might need to be patient while connecting. For now, these are the simple tasks you need to complete. If there are any updates, I will share them with you from time to time. You can find the link to join in the video description or the comment section. That's all for this video, friends. I hope you liked this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notification. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.